Ellipal Wallet is widely recognized for its robust hardware security and air-gapped design, making it one of the most secure options for storing cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional hardware wallets that connect via USB or Bluetooth, Ellipal operates completely offline. This air-gapped approach ensures that your private keys never come into contact with the internet, effectively eliminating exposure to online hacks, malware, and phishing attempts. The device is constructed with durable, tamper-resistant materials, which prevents physical attacks and unauthorized access. Its fully sealed design means there are no ports or cables that could be exploited, reducing the risk of tampering. The wallet comes with a secure QR code system for transactions, ensuring that all communication between the wallet and your phone or computer is encrypted and safe from interception. Ellipal Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins, offering flexibility for diverse portfolios. Users can manage multiple accounts and assets from a single device without compromising security. The wallet integrates a robust backup and recovery system, allowing users to restore funds with a 12 or 24-word seed phrase, which should be kept offline and secure at all times. Setting up the Ellipal Wallet is straightforward, with an intuitive interface on the mobile app that pairs seamlessly using QR codes. Transactions are signed on the device itself, ensuring that sensitive information never leaves the wallet. The built-in display confirms transaction details, preventing unauthorized transfers. With prices starting around $109, Ellipal Wallet offers high-end security comparable to more expensive hardware wallets while remaining accessible. Its combination of air-gapped technology, tamper-proof design, and support for a wide range of assets makes it a top choice for users prioritizing maximum security. For anyone serious about protecting their cryptocurrency investments, Ellipal Wallet provides a secure, reliable, and user-friendly solution that keeps digital assets safe from both online and physical threats.